Did you know you could make a basic teriyaki sauce in under 5 minutes? One that can be used as a marinade, a dipping sauce, or a glaze? Welcome to the Sauce and Gravy channel. This is Johnny Mac, and we're going to dive into a really versatile sauce, a basic teriyaki sauce. Buckle up, let's go! Start this recipe with a sauce pot over medium to medium-high heat. Grab some mirin, half of a cup or 125 milliliters. This is a quick and easy, basic teriyaki sauce recipe with 4 simple ingredients. Next, we'll add some sake, half of a cup or 125 milliliters. Now add soy sauce, half of a cup or 125 milliliters. I'm using low sodium all-purpose soy, but you can use any sort of light soy that you prefer. That's it for our liquids. Next, we'll add some sugar, 1/4 of a cup or 50 grams of granulated white sugar. So a traditional teriyaki sauce recipe is fairly simple. It's equal parts mirin, sake, and soy. Throw in a little bit of sugar, dissolve the sugar. You don't need to bring it to a boil, you just need to dissolve all those crystals. And a basic teriyaki sauce recipe is super quick and easy to make. It takes roughly about 5 minutes to make, so you can make it on the spot or you can make it ahead of time and store it in the fridge. And a traditional teriyaki sauce is so versatile. It can be used as a dipping sauce, a marinade. Stick around and I'll even show you how to make a glaze. Alright, but check it out. All the sugar crystals are gone, so you can take the teriyaki sauce off heat. This teriyaki sauce recipe can be used on the spot or it can be put into a glass container. I like to use an old soy sauce container, 15 ounces, fill it up, put it in the fridge. It'll last for about 2 to 3 weeks. So then you're ready at a moment's notice to use it as a dipping sauce, a marinade, or even a glaze. Let me walk you through how to make a quick glaze. Start off with a saucepan over medium to medium-high heat. Add half of a cup or 125 milliliters of the teriyaki sauce. While the teriyaki sauce is starting to warm up, we're going to work on a cornstarch slurry. That's going to be our thickening agent to make this teriyaki glaze. To make the cornstarch slurry, I'm using 1/4 of a tablespoon of cornstarch and half of a tablespoon of water mixed together and then pour it into the teriyaki sauce. Now the goal here is to bring this teriyaki sauce to a boil. Once it starts to boil, it'll activate that cornstarch slurry to help thicken up the teriyaki sauce to turn it into a nice glaze. Once it comes to a boil, you can remove it from heat, set the teriyaki sauce to the side, let it cool. Once it starts to cool, it should thicken up to be a nice glaze. So check it out. Sometimes things don't go as planned. So I put the teriyaki glaze into the refrigerator for 15 minutes to let it thicken up, but it's not as thick as I'd like it to be. So a quick fix is just to put the teriyaki sauce back over a burner, add some more cornstarch slurry. I'm using 1/4 of a tablespoon of cornstarch, 1/4 of a tablespoon of water, bring it to a boil, and you can automatically see how thick this is already getting. So now we're talking. This teriyaki glaze, it'll coat noodles, it'll coat that teriyaki chicken, it's perfect for beef, it'll coat those vegetables, that tofu. This is the thickness that we're looking for. Thanks for watching the Sauce and Gravy channel. I hope that you found this basic teriyaki sauce recipe helpful. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section below, and don't forget to hit that like button, smash that subscribe button, and to remember, my friends, to live, love, and make gravy.